Hey, today I'm going to be unboxing the QiYi magnetic stickerless 2x2. Let's do it. Okay, I don't want to cut this box. While I'm opening this 2x2 runs you about $11 on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description for it. I much prefer stickerless than stickered. By the way, this is the 2x2 I use right now. Some GAN cube. I have no idea what it is. This will be an upgrade in a few ways. One, it's magnetic. Also, it's supposed to be one of the best cubes, 2x2s you can buy. This thing's definitely gonna need some lube. It is very chunky. Other than that, I much prefer the color scheme of a GAN. These colors aren't as vibrant. Also, this cube is a bit bigger. It might just be because this has more curved edges, but I don't know. Overall, before lubing this thing and tensioning it, it just feels okay. I definitely wouldn't suggest it. I would highly suggest getting a GAN. Though this is more expensive. I think this is like $20, maybe $30. I'll come back to you and tell you after I tension it and lube it how I like it. Okay, so I have lubed this cube and I'm still not very impressed with it. I would highly suggest getting a different 2x2. Most likely again, I would suggest getting a GAN. While this is magnetic and my GAN is not, I don't really notice the magnets that much. But what I do notice is how much it catches. It's just not very good. So yeah, that's the end of this video. If you guys want to see more of these, like the video. Though I'm probably going to make more anyways because I'm bored and it's summer. But yeah, I would suggest not buying this. And I'll have a link in the description so you know which one. Thank you for watching.